Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Pablo from FX Solutions, and today I want us to talk about the secrets to trading currency pairs. So this video is going to be based on two strategies, namely technical analysis and fundamental analysis. I'll be basically showing you how to use the two strategies to profit from the market when trading currencies. So as you guys can see, we have this nice low here, and you also have this high here. So for me, this tells me that maybe we are in a range at the moment. So that means any trade that I'll be looking for will be within these boundaries of the range. So the two red lines that I've put on my chart represent the boundaries that we're gonna be respecting, and then that means I'm gonna be looking for a trade within the boundaries here. So let's look at the reason why we are currently going to the downside. So as you can see, we have this ascending structure here. So this was the structure that gave the signs that we were gonna head to the downside. So if we were to take this trade, we would probably take the trade somewhere here, and obviously have a stop loss somewhere around here, and then obviously the target being the boundary at the bottom. So this is the kind of setup that we would have. So let's say you get on your charts and you figure out that okay, the direction for the day is downwards. So if our directional bias is downwards, what you're gonna do now is that you consult your fundamental strategy. Now the fundamental strategy is the easiest part of the whole strategy, basically, because fundamental strategy is not that difficult. I believe everyone or anyone can understand and utilize the fundamental analysis strategy. So what you basically do there is that you go on any economic calendar. So you can find an economic calendar on investing.com. That is one of the examples of the places you can find the economic calendar. So what you do is that you go to the economic calendar and follow high impact news. So for this particular currency pair, we have Euro USD. So you'll be looking at news specifically affecting any of these two currencies. So you'll be looking for news that can, high impact news that can affect the euro, and high impact news that can affect the US dollar. So what you do is that, let's say for example, we have news about the US dollar. Let's say for example we have the CPI announcement. So CPI stands for Consumer Price Index, and that basically represents it's a measurement of the of prices for a given period of time, which means it measures inflation. So if there are news like that affect the US dollar, obviously it's gonna cause a shift on the charts. So whatever happens on the news on the outside world, whatever happens on the outside world has an impact on the charts. So if there's a CPI announcement, and if that announcement yields positive results, that's gonna cause positivity for the dollar on the charts. So let's say for example we have positive news about the US currency. That means on this particular chart, the market will be expected to go down, because in this particular instance, the US dollar is the code currency. So in this example, the euro is a base currency and the US dollar is the code currency, meaning that if the code currency appreciates compared to the base currency, the currency pair will go down. So the strength of the dollar will tell us that the market is supposed to go down. And now this is the part where you combine the two strategies to build your confidence in the trade that you're gonna take. So because we've consulted our fundamental analysis, and due to the news, we found out that we are going to have strength for the US dollar, meaning that we'll be expecting sales from Euro USD. So that is the outcome from our fundamental analysis, and the outcome from our technical analysis is obviously what we've drawn here on the charts, the pattern that we have here and the two boundaries that we have. So this is an example of how you can use the two strategies to trade currency pairs. Now, this is the first of many videos. I will be making a part 2 and hopefully other parts after a part 2. So if you like the video, please don't forget to share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.